Do all those outdated houses keep showing up in your search portal? Are you feeling a little bit clueless when it comes to budgeting your renovations? Well, let me help you by showing you a house that is not so last season. I'm Helen from Helen's team, showcasing fabulous homes full of fashionable accessories. This home is the perfect match for someone with impeccable taste who doesn't need to break a nail doing all those dreary renos. Gallery-style walls in a pale white match perfectly with the new waterproof luxury vinyl floors throughout the 3 finished levels. I always say the kitchen is the heart of a home. This brand new kitchen is a total heartthrob, open concept and fully upgraded with a butcher block breakfast bar, new shaker cabinets, a porcelain herringbone backsplash, and undermount lighting. The slider off the dining room offers even more space outside so you can enjoy barbecues on your very own patio. This location is choice with no nosy neighbors peering directly into your yard, so feel free to get a little wild out back if you desire. A house isn't properly accessorized without new doors, trim, hardware plugs, switches, and lighting throughout. These guys went as far as to offer you 2 settings for the LEDs. You may want the cool lighting setting in the morning, hit the switch again for chill vibe with the warm light at night. Both bathrooms were totally remodeled, including trendy fixtures and loaded with style. The basement is exceptional with a massive rec room and a huge laundry room. A new furnace was installed in 2020 and 5 brand new higher-end Samsung appliances are included, so you can have a worry-free existence. Live in a fantastic Hespler community where all outside maintenance is covered in your very low condo fee. So put on your most capable looking outfit and book a private viewing today because this house isn't mine and it should be yours.